guys, and welcome to a new unboxing video here at Level 10 Gamers. Very soon I'll be doing a server room upgrade, so I had to have some more hardware. I've got these, I've got these, yeah, they're kind of huge. These big boxes that we're going to open up today and see what's inside, shall we? I think we'll start with the smaller one. Put the big one aside here. Let's see, I don't have a fancy ass bat knife. That is really cool, but I have something that'll do the trick. Trusty old saw. That never gets old, does it? And it does wonders on tape. And oh, sorry about that. And cardboard as well. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. There we go. Trying to cut an arm off while we're at it. Alright. Ooh. Bubbles! Alright. Get that shit over there. Aha, there's a logo I like. That's a nice little logo, isn't it? Oh, come on. That is the CISCO logo. Lovely. And here, some more bits and pieces. Start off with these, I guess. There's no point in unwrapping them. They are Kingston data travelers. Your SE9. They're 32 gigabytes USB 2 sticks, which I'll be running operating systems on or off from a 4-hour NAS. And there's 2 of them because we have 2 NASs. NAS. Yeah, well, you get it. All right. Let's get the CISCO box open, shall we? Hope I didn't break anything. Oh, tape. There we go. Nothing a little saw can't handle. Aha. Content. Instructions. More instructions. Yep. Instructions. And power lead. That'll come in handy. That's no proprietary plug. That's nice. Comes in okay, plastic, not the cheap China shit. Some mounting screws. These look like for concrete. Where the hell do they think I'm gonna put these? And some mini screws and 3 rubber feet. 4 rubber feet to be exact. And what have we here? Aha! Rack mounting brackets. I was wondering if they were included, which they were. That's nice. Thank you, CISCO. Saved me from having to buy one. Alright. Yeah. Proper good foam. Not that cheap shit. Very good. And here it is. New center of my network. That is the CISCO SG110-16. That's 16 ports of 1 gigabyte per second network speed. They are RJ45s, so we won't be getting more than 1000, but that's okay. That's all I can handle. I don't have any 10 gigabyte stuff on my network. Has all the features you want. Quality of service. There's 4 lanes for quality of service, I think. It doesn't actually say which ones, so hopefully that's in the book. It is rack mountable, which is nice because I want it in my rack. And yeah, 16 ports, as I said. It's CISCO, so they're known for quality. Lid here, I won't be breaking that open. It's got 128 megabytes of RAM and flash memory, which I don't know, probably won't use it for anything. Probably won't be reflashing this one. The CISCO OSs tend to be good. So I'm looking forward to installing this. Put you over here, shall we? Lovely. And now for the main event. This beast. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. Some sawing action here. Tape all around. It's like they knew I use a saw. Okay. Lovely. There we go. The last piece. Oh, sorry about that. This piece is over here. Come on. There we go. More. There's always that little one, isn't there? Put this aside. Ooh. What have we here? What have we here? More cardboard. Okay, so that's a box in a box. We'll set this down and see if we can't move one of them. Okay. Fight if I ever had one. Get this shit out of the way. Whew. Now to the main event. Screws and stuff. A whole hell of a lot of screws in there. And some instructions and drawings. Ta-da! Here it is. This is what the whole fuss is about. Right, half the weight was the boxes. Okay, okay. Let's get this out of the way. Sort of. Don't wake the house. There we go. I think I'll have to do it this way. No. And then loose things are coming out. Put down before we drop it. Here it is. Finally. My new NAS case. It's a rack mount CHIEFTEC UNC410S-B-OP. So I'm guessing it's OP, it's in the name, so it has to be, doesn't it? This is the, let's turn it around, I can actually see it. There we go. This is a 4U case. It's a full ATX, and also it can handle MATX. It has 2 USB 2s in the front, and that's about it. There's a power button. Not sure what this button is. It might be reset. LEDs and probably some indicator flash. LEDs, and this should be, or not. Yes. Little dust filter here. Not too thick. That's okay. There's 2 pre-installed 92mm fans in this case, and we might swap them out depending on the quality of the fans themselves. Now I was kind of wondering how to actually get this open. There's a screw thing here. That might be it. How the hell are we supposed to open this lid? There we go. There's the screw thing. Here we are. Lovely. There are 3 5 1/4 inch bays in the front, and 1 3 1/4 according to, here it is, 3 1/2. I mean, I'm sorry, 3 1/2 here. There are also 4 internal 3 1/2 inch bays. That'll be the ones right behind the fans here in the front. These fans are Sunon fans. Never heard of them. If they're too noisy, I do have some noise blocker fans in the right size that I can swap in there instead of these. Because, well, servers are noisy, but there's no point in them being overly noisy, I guess. You can see there are mounts for other fans here, or another fan here. I think that'll be in the way, so I'll have to move that around a bit, see what we can do about that. There are 7 expansion slots for cards here, and it handles regular sized ATX power supplies, but with an additional optional, I think it is, yeah. With an optional kit, you can actually have redundant power supplies in this case as well. I won't be doing that because I don't have any redundant power supplies lying around. I rely on consumer grade hardware, not enterprise hardware, so we're stuck with regular ones. But that's okay. They're good enough for me, and they're good enough for our usage, so let's do that. I will be doing a build in this case really soon on the channel, so keep an eye out for that if you are interested in seeing how this case is in use. By the looks of it, everything looks very good. The build quality feels strong, sturdy. There's no cheap, thin steel crap. Everything seems modular in here. You can move around the bits and pieces that you do not want. I think I'll have to do something with this. I'm not sure quite what yet. Other than that, the fans, I'm not too sure about. I have to check them out and see what kind of noise level they are and what kind of quality they are. If not, as I said, I do have some noise blockers that I can shove in there, they're not the best that I've had. I've got some issues with some ticking in some of them, but for the most part, they've been good. There are some power cable extenders and stuff in here, probably for the fans. By the first look of everything looks very good. So I'm hoping this case holds up to its first impressions. If you want to buy any of this equipment, you will find our Amazon affiliate links in the description below. That goes for everything but the case. I am afraid that's not up for sale on Amazon. Not that I could find, at least. If you find one, let me know and I'll post the link in the description afterwards. If there's anything you would like to see us do on the channel, let us know in the description below. If you liked the video, press thumbs up. If you didn't, press thumbs down, and please let us know why you didn't like it. That helps us do better next time. Anyways, it's been fun.
look out for our upcoming server room upgrade videos on the channel, and have a good day.